Alright, so what do we think about this robot kit? So far, most of the pieces feel high quality, however, some of them are not. And as you can see here, we tried to put this piece of robot together, and although all the pieces do match and they fit inside there, this piece will not close, and that's also because there are bits that were not produced properly, and so there's extra bits of plastic in between here that stop it from closing, which I did my best to grind down, but still it will probably require some glue. So that's one issue that I'm not really happy about. And then another issue that I was not happy about is whoever did the soldering on this did not do a great job, and so one of these coils came off. Luckily I know how to do soldering, so I can fix it, but if you buy this kit and expect it to just work out of the box, well, you're wrong. Alright. So yeah, those are two things that so far have caused us some trouble trying to put this together. And if there's any more, we will let you know. But anyway, thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.